Hello there YouTube. You've probably been waiting quite a while for this video to appear, and this is the culmination of almost 8 months of work, and by that I mean an hour here, an hour there, and the occasional weekend. So I started by removing some of the rubble and loose dust through a small hole that I'd cut that you'll see later on in the video, and taking all of this rubble outside through a small hole bit by bit and filtering it. Main reason I filtered it is because I had limited access to a car, and the van was not allowed in the local tip, so filtering it allowed me to take the soil to the tip and dispose of the small stones and rubble in various potholes and divots in the unmade roads, which are basically unadopted by the council, so you have to keep the potholes filled up. It was about here where I realised that taking everything to the dump, piece by piece, as I took the rubble out of the undercroft, was not actually creating any meaningful progress. So I picked this corner as a good place to dump everything, as the main project was going to be between the two pillars on the screen. When I started this project and knocked the hole in the wall, I did insulate the floor with 100-150mm of rock wool type insulation as to minimise drafts above, as I had an open hole and it was basically the middle of winter. By shoveling out the loose, scraping, and then finally sweeping the ground, I found the level as what the ground should have been, without actually undermining my house or removing any soil that I should not have been. Well, if you're still with me, as you can tell, the first 4 minutes of this video has just been me moving bricks and rubble from place to place to place, and I can assure you I got pretty fed up working in this space, sloping up from where I'm sitting from 5.5 foot down to 4 foot in the far corner, which of course is back-breaking work leaning over carrying weight, and obviously warranted its risks many and often.